nation, and remember tomorrow is coming. Now we as youths, we are the pillars of tomorrow. Let us not be used as tools of bringing violence to our nation. Let us be peacemakers. Mambi itunero abanku rubaro naje ko mari nge kubuli abande somo akalie momo ina choice tiri bomo uchire abana bali atigire who will be the occupant of the space and the faculty choice atigire haba sayonya to gutumekwa twangai ndo abande singe ndiamaru pombe peke yake yagere wakuru yo mino twatumikire mna evyombo byokolete esegi tafadhali dear beloved youths and also asemole we are the pillars of tomorrow. And our tomorrow is very bright, I promise you, dear brothers and sisters. Let us remember our tomorrow. Mamu mino na kieko era emna wachire. Omuntu okogenda kugulira no moiboli. Akoteba gaki omwana one. Mabono na ngwete tinda manye exactly the guy. Alenge buya peaceful ultimate sengo taralenge. Chibagenda tegao ane ko motebara magenda. Tafadhali. Please. Onye okogenda musangireka. Onye tote itinyarebe. Tafadhali. Nakieko era nyasa tueta makabe. Agakwana kamuno akamu. Ayategera man. Wana alina naki. Wana make. If we go in this manner, I believe we are heading somewhere that is very dangerous. Soko yenda kuane.